అందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు. When I look at each one of you, I think of my college days. Those days we will never get back. We used to read, we used to study, we used to bunk college, go for movies. We used to do everything. And that's the best moment in my life, which I will never forget. And at the same time, I am very, very happy to address the future leaders of our country, India. You are the ones who is going to take our country way forward, whatever party, caste, color, creed we may be. You are the ones who's going to protect our country and make it proud by protecting it and taking way forward. And together, we all have to stand up and protect our country because we are seeing what's going around. We should not feel this is not our job. Our job as citizens of India, we have to protect it. And once again, I'm requesting you, join hands together and protect your country, India. That's very important in our life. అందరూ అనుకోవచ్చు ఇది మన పని కాదు, దీనికి పోలీస్ సిబ్బందిలో ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు వీళ్ళు ఉన్నారని మనం అనుకోవచ్చు. కానీ అది కాదు, ఒక మనిషిగా మన రాష్ట్రానికి కానీ దేశానికి కానీ ప్రజల అభివృద్ధి కోసం మనం ఏం చేయాలని యూ యంగ్స్టర్స్ హ్యావ్ టు థింక్ అ లాట్. అట్లయితే మా కుటుంబం కూడా ఒక త్యాగం చేస్తుంది. ఐ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ యూ, we are facing a lot of threats, but that doesn't matter to my family. At the end, my family ki mana rashtra anedi chala mukyam. So at the same time, all you youngsters, students especially, it starts from here. Join hands and do good for the country, not bad. So once again, greetings to all of you all, students, scholars, faculty members, and distinguished guests of Dravid University. I am truly happy to be among you all today. I am not here as a politician. I am here as a conscious corporate citizen interested in the development of my society, my state, my country. And I'm a dutiful wife and a responsible mother. But today, here, now I'm standing in front of you as a mother rather than above all. This great institution was the vision of Sri Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao Garu, who championed Telugus and the Dravidian languages. His dream was supported by the states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, reflecting the linguistic and the cultural unity of the Dravidian family. This is what I am telling you all. Caste, creed, color, languages, nothing should come in the way to join our hands together. We are all Indians. That we should not forget. We all know Sri Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao Garu, deep passion for Telugu language, Telugu culture, and every Dravidian culture. Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu carried this torch this far, making a unique university of its kind. Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu's spirit never stumbled in challenging times, but rose to a new awakening for the development of Andhra with grace and restraint. His victories are due to his commitment and character filled with patriotism, fairness, hard work, filled with values which are his strong foundation. He lived with and without power, with applause, but never did he withered away or was frightened what he faced. The grace and restraint with which he accepted a difficult decision earned admiration from supporters and critics alike. మీ అందరికీ గుర్తు చేయాలి, నేను ఎప్పుడు కానీ మా కుటుంబం కానీ ఎప్పుడు మా జీవితంలో మర్చిపోలేని ఒక సంఘటన. ఆయన ఎప్పుడు రాజమండ్రిలో నిర్బంధించారో అప్పుడు ప్రజలు వచ్చారు చూడండి, అప్పుడు అది మా కుటుంబానికి ధైర్యం ఇచ్చింది. ప్రజలు ఉన్నారు, ఆయన చేసిన కష్టం ప్రజలు మర్చిపోలేదు. ఆయన కోసం ఇంకా మళ్ళీ మనం ముందు చూడబోవేమో, ఒక నాయకుడు కూడా కోసం, ఒక పొలిటీషియన్ కోసం. ఎందుకంటే మనందరికీ రాజకీయ నాయకుడు అనేసరికి ఒక మైండ్ బ్లాక్ ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఆయన కోసం ఆయన చేసిన కష్టం ప్రజలు మర్చిపోకుండా ఆయన కోసం ముందుకొచ్చారు చూడండి. అది మా కుటుంబం ఎప్పుడు ఎల్లప్పుడూ మన తెలుగు ప్రజలకే కాదు యావత్ భారతదేశంలో ప్రజలందరికీ మా హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు, పాదాభివందనాలు. Kuppam is also the constituency of our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu Garu, whose commitment to the development of Telugus or of Andhra Pradesh has been unwavering. For more than 4 decades, both Sri NTR Garu and Chandrababu Naidu Garu has shaped hopes, pride and progress of Telugus. Their legacy now rests in your shoulders, your and mine too, to be carried forward with dedication and integrity. Their spirit never succumbed to adversity. In challenging moments, they rose with renewed determination for the development of our people, Andhra Pradesh. We have seen leaders who face difficult times with grace and restraint. Their examples remind us of the honor in public life is not measured by the victory alone, but by the character shown when challenges are greatest. And about the great university you are all studying in, the Dravid University stands today as a pillar of knowledge, offering undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs across rich range of subjects like Dravid languages, linguistics, literature, history, philosophy, Flock 4, tribal studies, sociology, anthropology, education and computer science. It also extends the reach of learning through distant education for those who cannot attend the regular classes. Some challenging realities in life. Let me speak frankly to you about the challenges that we all face in our lifetime. Challenges that not only shape the society, but the inner living of us, the individuals.